Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the OnePlus 10 Pro for T-Mobile. So the OnePlus 10 Pro is now available at T-Mobile as of April 14th. That's when I'm recording this video, is April 14th, which is its release date. So so the OnePlus 10 Pro 5G is now here at T-Mobile. It's available now in volcanic black. There's a phone right there, looks very nice. I've seen videos on this phone that it looks very nice. And y'all guys will have 128 gigabytes of storage. So it's available now for $37.50 a month for 24 months for $0 down plus tax from before promotion and all that. And you can get it free with trade on Magenta Max plan, which is pretty cool. So yeah. So it's available in volcanic black there. There's the phone. You guys do have your front and back there. Hole punch for your front facing camera there. Earpiece above here, somewhere on here. I think you got the power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. Pretty nice. There's the back of the phone right there. You guys have I think it's 3 cameras in the back here, so pretty cool. That do look like the camera design. The camera just stuck out there just a bit there on the back, so be mindful of that. And you guys have your camera flash right here, and it has the Hasselblad branding on the back of the phone, so pretty cool. And you have your OnePlus logo there on the back too, so yeah. This front and back, again. Like I said, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. I think you get an in-display fingerprint sensor, so that's pretty cool. Very nice looking phone. It's very nice. It looks very nice. It really does. I think your SIM card is on the left side of the phone there. It's like right here, I believe your SIM card is. Don't know if this has expandable storage or not. Don't know. I guess we'll find out if it tells if it has expandable storage or not. The phone is in stock as of this video recording, so yeah, very nice looking phone. Like I said, it's worth checking out. And yeah, so key features of the OnePlus 10 Pro is the cameras. It has Hasselblad camera sensors in it, I guess, so really nice there. So y'all guys have a 48 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel telephoto, and a 50 megapixel ultra wide camera with a 150 degree field of view there, and a 32 megapixel front facing camera. 27.7 hours of talk time and 12.6 days of standby time. Screen is a 6.7 inch AMOLED Quad HD Plus, 3216 by 1440 pixel resolution. So, and it has LTPO 2.0. I'm not sure what that is. Don't know what that is, but very nice looking phone. 8 days, power in 15 minutes. So this does have the fast charging on there. 5G capable, of course. So this does have 5G, obviously. Hence OnePlus 10 Pro 5G. Triple camera system, co-developed with Hasselblad, so y'all guys get pretty good camera shots on here. OnePlus billion color solution for photography. Smart 120Hz refresh rate with LTPA 2.0. Of course, the 120Hz refresh rate is now becoming standard on flagship phones, and that's what this is. It is a flagship phone. It is a flagship phone for OnePlus. 65 watt fast charging. 65 watt fast charging. That's a wired, and then you get a 50 watt wireless charging, which is pretty fucking insane. You get a Hyper Boost gaming engine, which should help. It should help with gaming performance on the phone. OnePlus next gen cooling system, which is great for games and stuff like that. 8K video shooting, that will also be good for that. The cooling system will be good for recording videos. Dolby Atmos cinematic dual speakers. New refresh design and Oxygen OS 12.1, which is based off Android 12. I believe. So this does have Android 12 on it. Says here, introducing the OnePlus 10 Pro 5G, our most powerful smartphone ever. Unleash your creativity with a triple camera system co-developed with Hasselblad, featuring the new OnePlus Billion Color solution and a wider 150-degree field of view ultra-wide lens. A 6.7-inch Quad HD Plus screen displays stunning colors and adjusts dynamically from 1 Hz to up to 120 Hz. So if you have it on 1 Hz, it will save your ass a lot of battery. So you do have the options to change the refresh rate. So that's very cool. So if you guys want to save battery, you can lower down the refresh rate, and you guys will get better life. If you guys have it on 120 Hz the whole time, you guys will have lesser battery life. I'm just giving you a heads up now. So it's up to you. It says delivering the smoothest and most battery efficient user experience. Powering the 10 Pro is the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, coupled with the new Hyper Boost gaming engine and next gen heat dissipation. The 10 Pro is one of the best choices for mobile gaming. Say goodbye to battery anxiety with 65-watt fast charging wired and 50-watt wireless charging, which is pretty fucking insane, giving you a day's power in 15 minutes, but it's pretty fucking insane. So this phone must charge really fast, packed with premium features and a smooth and clean interface. The 10 Pro is best smartphone from OnePlus yet. And hey, the specs reflect that. This is a great looking phone, great specs. And yeah, so additional specs on the phone. Of course, you guys have a 5,000 mAh battery. So it's good with that. Six with a big ass battery, fast charge. They said that you guys can get a day's power in about 15 minutes. So that's pretty cool. You get a USB Type-C charging port, of course, which is pretty much standard now. Your connections are Wi-Fi 802.11, ABGN, AC, AX with dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, and NFC. Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, which is the latest and greatest from Qualcomm. Oxygen OS 12.1, which is based off Android 12. I believe it is 8 GB of RAM. There is no memory card expansion, so you keep that in mind. So the storage is 128 GB. So use Google One as your cloud storage thing. If you have T-Mobile right now, you guys will get unlimited Google Photos with their $15 plan with Google One, and that also gives you 2 TB of storage. So that plan is coming soon, guys. So yeah, if you guys are on T-Mobile or think about switching to T-Mobile, and if you guys want to get this phone, go ahead and get this phone. Keep in mind that there is no memory card slot on this phone, so the 128 GB is all that you guys get. But you can use Google One to back up your photos and videos to Google One, and you will get unlimited Google One. You will get unlimited Google photo storage with T-Mobile and Google with their $15 plan, which is coming soon as of this video recording. So stay tuned for that. You do have to be a T-Mobile subscriber to get that $15 plan from T-Mobile to get the unlimited Google photo storage. So check that out. Anyways, you guys have 4G, LTE, and 5G, of course. Support email platforms here and there, wireless emergency alerts, mobile hotspot. Frequency, weight. The OnePlus 10 Pro weighs 7.7 ounces. The length is 0.34. What? I don't know why it's kind of fuzzy one there, but whatever. So the length or depth is 0.34 inches, the height is 6.41 inches, the width is 2.9 inches, guys. So yeah. So what comes in the box is y'all guys get a lot of shit in the box, as y'all guys can see right there on the screen. Y'all guys do get your OnePlus 10 Pro 5G smartphone, 65 watt super, I'm not even gonna pronounce that word, but you get 65 watt power adapter, which gives you guys the 65 watt fast charging. Y'all guys get a USB-C cable, quick start guide, safety information, and warranty card, SIM tray ejector, welcome motor, and a USB adapter, Type A to Type C. So yeah, y'all guys do get a lot of stuff in the box. It's kind of interesting that you guys do get a welcome motor, which is pretty interesting, which is a nice touch. I think that's really cool of OnePlus to do that. They've been doing that for a long time, so that's very nice of them to include a letter in the packaging there. So pretty thoughtful and pretty interesting as well. So yeah. So don't even know the full price on this phone. I have no idea what the full price is. I will have that in the description box. But it's $37.50 a month for 24 months for $0 down. So I think it's like what, $1,000, something like that. I'm not really sure, cause it doesn't give no full retail price on that. So like I said, I will have the full retail price in the description box, so check it out. I think it's like $1,000 though. I think it is. So I think it's worth it. I think it's worth checking out. I think it's a very nice looking phone. Great specs for what it is. Very nice looking phone that OnePlus released here. Very nice looking phone. The camera should be pretty good because it has the Hasselblad branding on there. So y'all guys should get pretty good camera shots with that. So yeah, there you guys have the OnePlus 10 Pro 5G now available at T-Mobile as of April 14th for $37.50 a month for 24 months. I have no idea what the full retail price of the phone is. No idea. It doesn't say it. Don't know why it don't say it for some fucking reason, but whatever. So there you guys have it. OnePlus 10 Pro 5G now available at T-Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.